So we are in a day in the life system because I want to show you the Superbranch of National Bookstore. This is the first time I'm going to give you some tour. So this is the Superbranch of National Bookstore here in the inside. It's pretty aesthetic, but this one, I don't know what's inside. There is a collectible store in here. K-pop, 9-pop. So, ayan yung mga ano. So, this is the first one. Tapos, ayan. This is the Korean stationery. There's BD21. And the notebooks, cash books are there. And stickers. Then, yan, mga K-pop. Cards are here. Yung mga album. Tapos, yung mga Funko people are here. Then, there's Panini. I love them. Let's go with the tour of the books. Meron silang book talk. So, these are the trending books on TikTok. Ayan yung mga trending books natin. Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Then, there's more books. Then, yan yung napapasa natin sa Wattpad. Then, there's more books in here. Then, there's fiction. And, tapos mga storybook. And, then, ayan, yung mga, more fiction. Then, in this side, yung mga be yourself. Then, public speaking. Then, textbooks are here. Textbooks are here. Ayan. Tapos yung mga history and biographies and references are here. Ang mga sudoku. Then, cookbooks are here. And beginner's guide. Yung mga, kung if you want to learn new hobbies, andito yun. So, ito yung mga section ng mga manga. My sister, we're gonna love these kind of mangas. Ayan o, My Hero Academia. Ayan yung mga manga. Iba't ibang klase. Ayan. My sister gonna love. Here yung mga coloring materials. Ayan. So, ito mga color pens. Yung mga style, yung mga usong color pencil nung bata pa tayo. Then, of course, I'll see. Ano kaya itsura ng kuling ngayon? So, ito yung itsura. Then, ayan yung mga different, may color pens pa dito. Tapos, mga Crayola! So, this is my favorite Crayola in 64 pieces. Wow, Crayola. You made my world go round. Ayan yung mga twistables. Then, this is the... Then, there's Silky Scents. Then, there's Faber-Castell in here. And then, ayan yung mga watercolor. Ayan, mga other color in here. There's still a lot more here. Oil pastel dito. Ayan, mga watercolor colors are here. Mga oil pastels. Then, color blues are here. Paint brushes for painters. Then, drawing and sketch pads are here. This is amazing. And, yung mga guntings, mga different guntings, mga tapes, and chalks, sticker paper, photo paper, office papers, and more. And there's so many to discover. So many to discover. So this is Color Emotion. Ito yung pinaka 580 na, mga acrylic paints nila. Then there's scanners. Then there's another one in here. Ayan, classic. And there's Faber-Castell. There's planners right here. I'm gonna be surprised. Then the section of illustration boards and the loops. And this is the section that I love about the section of pens and pencils. I got ang daming ball pen mga buddy. Ayan, ang daming mga ball pen. Ako dito, this is yung mga drawing pencils. Then all of the ball pens are here. Mga correction tapes. Then, let's see yung mga other ones. Let's go. This is notebooks. Different notebooks. Highlighters are here.
Gamit ka na pala.
Wow. Ayan, ang mga highlighters are here. Kasi pasukan na kaya maraming books. And more. I'm gonna buy something baby next time. So, there's more. And so, it's fine. There's pencils here. Tapos, ayan yung mga are here. Ay, hindi pa. May pa pala kasi meron pa pala dito. Meron pa pala dito mga pens. Pens, I think. Mix of mura and mahal. Here. I'm finding the set ones. I'm gonna share some products that I like here sa tour na to. So, first up is the Crayola, 96 pieces. So, here are all the 96 pieces of crayons. All four books. I have so many in here. Queen of the Universe, named them Pia Words Back is kasi here. Then, Claire Batito de Guzman, What Happens from Obscurity to Celebrity. So, this is Sudden Superstar. Then, Royals, Books, Rain, Majesty, and Rivals. Here's Sharpie, Ellie, yung mga ganito nila. Kulin, yung mga color pencil ng kabataan.